Tido. How's it going? Good morning. Did you listen to me play the piano? It was like, just pat me, or just be a hand to claim. I have to rub my scent all over you. I now own you, human, again, still. Fair. Oh, a little nippy here. Sometimes I like to do that. Okay, you're like, you're not petting enough. Do I have to bite you to let you know? I know. Okay. Happy Caturday. Ooh, okay. Hey, Butter. Are you the most interesting cat in the world? We need some light. No, that's just backlit. How about this light? How's it going? Yes, must do the petting. He just does the nudging. Not really biting. Unless it's my watch hand. Happy Caturday, Butter.